So the script is we need to create, that is created. Okay, so first we will just go do some simple calculation. Let's say I will just put here let's say some addition. So I will just put some, okay, simple. I haven't assigned any variable, just putting some. Okay, and just run this. Okay, so you can see our answer that goes to the workspace. Later on also we have do some examples, so just for a while we will consider this. Okay, so through this script editor, or let's say when you create this script, thus here you can create your MATLAB program or the MATLAB script. So here is the plot. Okay, so just have a glance over this plot section. Okay, so using MATLAB we can create different kinds of plots. Let's say MATLAB line plots, steam and stair plots, bar plots, different kinds of plots we can create here. You can see multiple options are present. Okay, MATLAB geographic plots, MATLAB contour plots, image plots, many plots are present here. So how to create it, later on we have that session on that also, but let us see the overview of this MATLAB desktop first. Okay, so different plots we can create here using MATLAB. Then the app section. Okay, so right, as I told you, we have the around 17 toolboxes of MATLAB. So these are the verticals. Let's say you can see here the machine learning and deep learning. Okay, so this, we have this kind of applications apps present in MATLAB. It might be maths and statistic and optimization. Then the control system design and analysis vertical. So these are the advanced toolboxes. Okay, then let's say you may see you may study further signal processing and communication, MS processing and computer vision. So later we can see this. Okay, so test and measurement. Okay, then computational finance. So many applications are present in this app section. Okay, now we will go to the editor. So here is how to create a new script. So here, from here also you can go with the, either you can open the any you created script earlier, or you can just let's say if you want to create a script, you can create from here also. Okay, if you want to go for the live script, you can create the live script from here also. Then any function if you want to create, then you have to just click over this function, you can create it. Okay, so similarly for the class and system objects. So this is the advanced things. So let's focus on the script and the live script and the function. Okay, so here you can insert, let's say if you want to insert any comment, so we can comment here. Okay, yeah. Then let's say any function if you want to put, you can put from here. Okay, so this kind of function which is, let's say that already present in MATLAB, so we can refer this function entering command. Okay, so let's say this is CLC. Okay, let's consider CLC for the clearing command window. So we can just insert this here, CLC. Okay, so similarly, if you want to specify any fixed point data, or if you want to insert any numeric, let's say you wish to define any fixed point data type attributes, you can use this option. Or if you want to insert control fixed pointer arithmetic behavior, so we can choose this option. Okay, then the breakpoints. Okay, so we can, let's say if you are creating any script, so in between that you can create the breakpoints. Then this is the run section. Here when you create any MATLAB program or script, so using this run option we can run this or execute this. Okay, so then we will see the publish. In publish we can see different kind of format. Let's say you can create the hyperlink of your let's say any system you develop, or you can go with the LaTeX format. Okay, later on you can see LaTeX, what is that exactly. Okay, let's say in this different types of format you can publish your code or the document. Okay, and the view. So let's say if you want to change the view of your system, you want to just shift the current folder to this way, so you can just create this, just modify this command window or the current folder or the script or the workspace. Okay, so one of the we used to call it MATLAB as a interactive development environment. We give some input to MATLAB. Okay, so we execute that. Okay, so we get the response from it. So data analysis. So let's say if you have any kind of data, it might be any text file, image file, or different types of data. Okay, so you can do the data analysis of it. Okay, using MATLAB, you can import the different data. You can clean it. You can do the filtering of it. Category wise, you can create that data. Okay, and thereafter you can start the analysis of it. Okay, so performance wise, we can see here. Well, let's say suppose you wrote any MATLAB program in the older version or the earlier version. Let's say if you created in MATLAB program in R 2015 or R 2017, or let's say R 2020 also. Okay, so it will support the newer version also. Right now we have the MATLAB R 2021A, the recent version of MATLAB with us. Okay, so it has been recently launched. So MATLAB runs your code almost twice as fast. It may be, let's say if you created it is 2 years ago or before that also. So performance wise